I picked up a Melt Cosmetics mystery box. I've not known of them making mystery boxes, so it really had my attention. And I know it's been a hot minute since I've done a Wednesday video. At least the next 3 Wednesdays should be Wednesday videos until I get some really fun videos filmed ahead of time, like the in-depth blending class 101, battle of the dupes, stuff like that. But without me talking too much about that, let's jump into the box, why don't we? I already looked, but I forgot what's in here because it's been a hot minute since it's come in, and I just suck. So, let's see. Melt Cosmetics Sex Foil Digital Liquid Highlight. Ooh, I feel like that's a pretty new product, isn't it? Like when they launched that. It's in the shade Fetish. Okay. Face and body, lustrous, silky glow, moisturizing, complex, long wear, transfer resistant. This sounds like I'm going to use it on my face because oh, it is so pretty. Like it matches the packaging. My hands are stained from doing this look. I did a TikTok on it. I don't know when I'll post it, but it'll probably be before this or maybe after this because I'm trying to post like every other day to see if that'll get some reach because I don't know how that algorithm works. Okay, there's a little bit and it's so pretty. Oh. Oh my god. Okay. That. Oh my gosh. Okay. Chin. Take a little bit on, put on my nose. Okay. Oh my gosh, yes. I know it was already like pretty highlighter heavy, but like this is a vibe. This is staying on the desk. This is absolutely staying on the desk. I am using this tomorrow, if I do makeup tomorrow. It's getting close to Christmas, and I'm making a bunch of gifts for my family, so I have to get started on that because I'm always last minute on everything, and I have to get it done because Christmas morning I'm going to my parents' house, and I need to have presents ready. Let's see what else we got. Ooh. She's in Parties. This is a good one. I have this one, but I'm going to keep this one for right now to see if I hit pan in that one because I do love this palette. This is a really amazing palette. I love it so much. I'm excited about that. And oh, I got the $25 mystery box, not the $75 one. So already so far I feel like the box has pretty much paid for itself with the Sex Foil and the She's in Parties palette. But let's see what else I have because literally I forgot. I'm so glad that I waited this long to film this so that it wasn't totally spoiled. Except I kind of remember the She's in Parties palette because I was like, ooh, 2 of those? If I run out of the one or something happens to the one, then I'll have that. Or I might just give it to a friend. I don't know. I'll have to think about it because if I feel like I'm going to have that one for a while, I might give this one away. Who knows? I'll figure it out. Let me see. This is All Day Everyday Ultra Matte Lip Liner in the shade Foxy. I've never tried any of their lip liners. Oh, that's a pretty shade too. Never tried any of their lip liners, so I'm super excited about this. Let me see. What else we got? Aha, another one. Headbang. These are like a perfect nude. I don't think it's going to show up on my hand, but they're like a really good nude. I'm excited to try them. I've been using the Drawer Cosmetics ones quite a bit, so I'll try those hopefully tomorrow. If you want me to do a video using these products, let me know. Because I'm still going to do my ColourPop one. I got another ColourPop mystery box that I'm going to film a video for. It should be up in a week or 2. And then I'm going to try to do a video based off of the last 2 boxes that I've gotten that were mystery boxes from ColourPop. Just kind of to have more of a variety of things to use, if that makes sense. Alright, Liquid Set Lipstick. Okay, what is this one? Rebound. Let's check it out. Ah, their packaging is always so sleek. Ooh, that's a pretty color. Maybe I should shake it a little watery. Which reminds me, I'm behind on water. Okay. What's... Oh, yes, it's the scent that we all know and love. Oh. That is a pretty shade. It's like a deep, kind of dusty rose. I'm excited to use it. I just realized that I didn't have my phone all the way down, so there's probably going to be talking in the back. I've waited a hot minute for this. Oh, the Supernatural mascara. I got this in the Beetlejuice collection last year. I loved it. I used it all, so I'm really excited about this. And I'm almost out of my Well People one. Have to order another one. So I'll probably just use this until it's almost gone and then order another Well People and then kind of rotate between like this from them and Well People because I love them both so much. This is a very amazing mascara and I am so excited to have another one because I was sad when I ran out. Okay, well, alright, that's all that was in there, but I feel like for $25, it paid for itself because I'm pretty sure that mascara is like $28 or something like that, and their lipsticks are like 20 something, I think, and I don't know how much their lip liners are, and I know that the She's in Parties palette is around about like $48 or around about there. I could be wrong, and then I have no idea how much the highlighter is, but honestly I feel like it has completely paid for itself. I'm really excited about it. I hope that they do more mystery boxes in the future because I'm a sucker for mystery boxes and I'll buy more. So let me know what you'd like to see next down below. I want to thank you so much for watching. I know this was short, random, all that, but it's just been hectic and I'm trying my best to just kind of manage everything right now. But I do want to thank you so much for watching and I hope that I'll see you in the next one. Oh, also, if you'd like to keep up with my awkward face and shenanigans while I'm not here on YouTube, I have all my social medias in the description box down below. So you can check me out on Instagram where I'm active pretty much every day, TikTok, Twitter, all that good stuff. And if you'd like to keep up with me while I am here on YouTube, please hit the subscribe button. It means so much to me and I'm so thankful for everyone who has subscribed. Like, that literally blows my mind. But I want to thank you so much for watching and I hope that I'll see you in the next one. Bye!